and hello from Colorado. We're out here today, segment 2 of the Colorado Trail, just kind of goofing off. Drove from Denver out here to Buffalo Creek and walked in about a mile on the trail to it's a little place that we found when we were hiking the Colorado Trail back in 2019 on our through hike. We got just before the highway, just before you get to the fire department and the oasis of water on the trail. It was really hot back then when we did our hike. It was probably near 100 degrees. So finding that fire department was great because that water source is excellent. But there's a little place out here just before you get to the road, about a mile. And it's a little rise. There's some trees. Nice place to take a little break just before you take that last leg down to the fire department and get your water. But it's got some really nice views out here. Actually be a really nice place to come and camp for the night. Right over there in that clump of trees there, you can see the fire department from the other side of the ridge there, but it just gives you a commanding view of segment 2, the burn scar area. But we decided to come out here on just a really beautiful day and enjoy not only the Colorado weather, but another little tool we're throwing in our arsenal for 2022 and going forward. We got a drone, the DJI Mini 2, and we're out here testing it, just trying to see how it works and get used to it. Definitely an interesting learning curve, but it should be fun, afford us some nice views. And granted, we obviously have to fly it in areas that drones are allowed, and other places that they're not allowed, that won't happen. So we'll continue getting the same footage from handheld cameras in those areas. But in those areas where we can, we plan on taking the drone out and just getting some more exciting and different views. After we've used this DJI Mini 2 for a little while, we'll have a more comprehensive review on it. We thought it was time. There's been a lot of times we wanted that different view. So we'll play with it for a while. You'll probably start seeing some footage, us using it. Once we learn how to use it and can give you a better review of is it good or not. Seems like it is. Everything we read and studied up on says it is. We'll eventually tell you what we really think. Lord knows we don't hold back when we don't like something, and equally when we do like something, we'll tell you. I tell you what, we like segment 2, but we don't like the heat. And it's 60, 70 degrees today, and you can feel the sun. There's no doubt. There's a nice breeze out here, but you can really feel the sun. So you can imagine 80, 90, even 100 degrees. This place starts to really cook and dry you out. Our recommendation, hike early in the morning. Try to get through this segment. I wouldn't put it past night hiking, but if you've never been here before, night hiking, you just kind of miss the views. If you can hit it on a day where it's overcast, even better.